Good morning, guys. It's time for a new vlog. I thought it was about time to hang out again. I will go into town for some errands and my parents are here. So you're gonna say hi to my mom and my dad. We're gonna go to a restaurant tonight. But first, my skincare routine and makeup, of course. So if you guys know me, you know that my skincare routine is really important for me, and I have really sensitive skin. It's really important for me to have the right products, otherwise my skin will go crazy like in a day. In the morning, I'm using the Ole Henriksen Glow Cycle Serum. This is a serum that is purple. You can use it both day and night, and it contains a plant-based alternative to retinol. And retinol is anti-aging, but if you have sensitive skin, it can be a little bit irritating. And then I think retinol smells a little bit weird as well. So this is a really good alternative, and also it's plant-based. So if you're vegan or just want plant-based alternatives, this is like the perfect alternative for you. And also the smell is so good. It smells like lemonade. And I don't know if you can see, but it gives this instant glow to the skin because it's a little bit shimmery. So you get this really nice boost in the morning. And after that, I have my eye cream, and I'm using the Banana Bright eye cream. You can mix it with your concealer, you can just use it as it is, and it brightens up the under eye area, and it's just amazing. And then after the eye cream, I'm using the Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. I've been using these products now for some time, and you might know that I haven't been wearing foundation either, because these products give me so much glow. Tonight I'm going to show you what I'm using in the evening when I remove my makeup and when I apply my night cream and stuff. But now I'm just gonna apply my makeup, and then I'm gonna go into town. Mamma! Vill du prova mina nya produkter från Ole Henriksen? Hi, Mom! Hi! I'm gonna make my mom try the products too.
Okay.
Because she's also really sensitive.
I'm excited, you know that. Yeah. Okay.
Serum, ögonkräm, dagkräm.
Thank you.
Det är väldigt tyst där inne.
Vad fräscht det var. Annonserar.
It says it smells really fresh. Okay, I think my makeup is pretty much done for this day's meetings. Maybe I'm gonna put some lipstick on too. Me and my mom, we're on the way to the office. We're just gonna say hi to the guys and pick up some stuff. And then we're gonna go back home. It's super messy at the office, just so you know. But I think you'll manage anyway. Hey! Hey! Welcome back from vacation! Hey! You cleaned?
A little. Not a lot.
So we're just gonna pick up some stuff and then we're gonna head back home again. And a funny thing happened. Mom, can you tell me what a friend told you about your skin? That it was glowing. It sure is glowing. There was a big package for me waiting. I ordered some clothes to my LA trip. So I'm excited to open this up later. I think we're gonna do a little unboxing. Ooh. Ooh. I'm preparing for autumn, it seems. This bag. How do you open it? Here. It's vegan. I thought it was really nice with this little ring. This is gonna be so nice with a pair of high-waisted like jeans or something. We have, oh, I'm gonna live in this sweater this autumn. I love gray. My favorite color on clothes is definitely black and then maybe gray. This is so nice. Okay, I ordered a pair of sunglasses. I usually never order sunglasses, but I thought these were so cool. Yes. Wow. Kolla Linus.
Ooh, nice.
These are really nice. Like actually really nice.
Especially if you're like going back to the 70s.
But I love the 70s and 60s. These, yes. So cool. Love them. You know those shoes that I showed you in my latest haul? The boots. I got them but with heels. So they have the same boots but with heels. I'm so excited about these. I'm gonna be so tall. I'm currently writing my weekly report for work and I'm thinking about talking a little bit about skincare while we are doing this. I think that like when I was younger, skincare wasn't really of an interest. I remember that when I were at my grandparents' place, they always told me to wash my face every night and every morning, and I was like, why should I wash my face? Like, because I never did that at home. And like I used really bad products. I think I used those really like strong, because I had kind of acne. I had pretty bad skin that was not in balance, and it was just really, I was really oily. I'm still kind of oily, but still very sensitive. I have sensitive skin, but I used these really rough products that had a lot of alcohol in it, because I thought that the more alcohol you have, the more you dry out your skin and everything will disappear. But that was not really the case. My face just hurt. And I had a really fun story about products actually. When I was about maybe 15 or something, I was so tired of my skin. Like I was so tired. So I was like, I'm just gonna kill those pimples. I'm just gonna kill them, and no matter what, I'm gonna kill them. Sun disappeared. So what I did was to take this kind of, it's some kind of deodorant you use, and when you use it, you don't sweat for about a week or two. I don't know, it's very strong. It contains like really strong chemicals. Oh my god, my phone is crazy here. And I was like, awesome. A lot of chemicals must mean that it will kill all the pimples and spots in my face. Well, it looked like I've been bitten by mosquitoes in my whole face. It was like big, it was so bad. I didn't go to school because it looked crazy, and it was like it was stinging in my face. Don't do that at home. And you have seen me in all kind of allergic reactions. You can just Google it if you like. My skin has been more important to me than it was before. Before I was just covering everything and I was happy with that. But right now I don't feel like I don't want to have foundation on my skin because it's so warm. And also because I don't need it right now. I think I have to continue writing this report now, and then we're gonna eat some lunch, some late lunch, and yeah, so we're about to go in 50 minutes. Funny guy. I'm wearing one of the outfits that I got from Nelly. Look at this bag, it's so cute. I got a new wig. It's a blonde wig from Maria Lindberg. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna bring it with me to Los Angeles. I wanna open it now. I think I'm gonna open it on a train. Am I weird?
Boop, 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 boop. Is it a head?
It's a head. Oh my god, it's a head. Ooh, this is really nice.
So I'm gonna try on this wig now. I don't have a stocking. This is so interesting because I'm naturally blonde. It's so cool. I think it's a side part. Oh my god, I can't wait to play with makeup with this wig. Oh, did I have a boring day? I have used Face the Truth gel cleanser to clean my... After that, I am using the Glow Cycle serum again, the purple serum that I was talking about this morning. So you can use it both morning and night. And then I'm actually gonna use the Banana Bright eye cream once again, because I like to use eye cream both day and night. And then comes the Good Night Glow. It also contains the bakuchiol, the alternative for retinol. This is really, really good. I don't know if you remember that just a while ago I was looking for like the perfect night cream or night mask because I felt like my face was so dry. And here it is, guys. I mean, this is just awesome. Like, it gives this... I really like the feeling because I like to wake up like plumped and fresh and, you know, moisturized. And sometimes when I wake up and it doesn't feel good, I love like the moisture this gives. This is also purple, which is nice, and it smells... I took a little bit too much because this is quite rich. So this jar will last really a long time. And then I will also gonna do my neck, so I can actually use the little excess that I got. But so right now it feels like my skin is ready for the beauty sleep. And I love to sleep. My best thing in the world is to sleep in the morning. I'm really not a morning person. Sleep is so important for me, and I really appreciate to wake up fresh in the morning. And my skincare is really important for that, because even how tired I am in the night, if I get back home from a party or whatever at 4 in the morning, I always remove my makeup, I moisturize my face and go to bed. So that's like a really, really important step for me. So I would never, ever, ever in my life go to bed with makeup on. And do you see how my skin is glowing? I hope you liked following me through this day. I enjoyed it. I guess I'll see you very soon again. And I hope you will have a really nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, and I'll see you again another time. Bye guys.